Background: from 2012 to 2013, Elon Musk discussed his desire to build a truck, making comparisons with a Ford F-250. In early 2014, Musk predicted 4 or 5 years before work could start on the product. In mid 2016, Musk outlined his goals for a consumer pickup truck. He suggested using the same chassis for a van and a pickup truck during the Tesla Semi and Tesla Roadster unveiling in November 2017. A picture of a pickup truck that can carry a pickup truck was displayed. In late 2018, Musk talked of showing a prototype in 2019. In March 2019, following the Tesla Model launch, Musk distributed a teaser image of a vehicle described as having a cyberpunk or Blade Runner style, with the front resembling a futuristic embraced personal carrier. It was removed to be named the Model B 2019 concept. The concept Cybertruck was unveiled at the Tesla Design Studio in Los Angeles on November 21, 2019, the same month, year, and location that the movie Blade Runner was set. The truck was launched under a graffiti themed logo of Cybertruck. During the unveiling, Tesla claimed that the Cybertruck's armor glass windows were virtually unbreakable, but two windows shattered when Franz von Holzhausen threw a metal ball at each of them. Musk later claimed that the windows were damaged because in an earlier demonstration the door was hit by a sledgehammer that cracked the base of the glass. In mid 2019, the towing capacity of the vehicle was stated to meet or exceed that of a Ford F-150. Tesla released a video of Cybertruck pulling a rear-wheel drive Ford F-150 uphill in a tug-of-war. News outlets pointed out this was due to Cybertruck's heavier weight. Tesla's stated goal was to provide a sustainable energy substitute for the roughly 6,500 fossil fuel powered trucks sold per day in the United States. At the end of the presentation, the Tesla Cyberquad, an all-terrain vehicle (ATV), was driven into the bed of the Cybertruck using built-in ramps in the tailgate. The Cyberquad was plugged into the Cybertruck's onboard power outlet to charge its batteries. The ATV was to be available for sale as a Cybertruck option. In 2019, many social media commentators criticized the sharp controls and unusual exterior shown in the concept vehicle. Tesla in stock declined 6% following the announcement. The prototype was exhibited at the Peterson Automotive Museum in June 2020 and returned in November 2022. In January 2020, Automobile magazine named Cybertruck the concept car of the year for 2019. Beginning in November 2019, Tesla accepted Cybertruck reservations with a $100 deposit. On November 23, 2019, Musk tweeted that Tesla had received 146,000 reservations in the first 1.5 days after the unveiling. Musk updated the number of pre-orders to 250,000 on November 26. In October 2021, Tesla removed the Cybertruck's pricing and specification from its website without explanation, while still accepting deposits. An updated prototype was spotted undergoing testing in December 2021. The newer prototype could be distinguished from the 2019 concept vehicle by the presence of a large windshield wiper and the omission of the truck's front light bar. At the 2022 annual shareholder meetings in response to a question, Elon Musk stated that final specification and pricing would be materially different from those unveiled on the concept vehicle in 2019. Pre-orders were Pre-orders were temporarily shut down prior to the delivery event on November 30, 2023. Since the delivery event, the price for a deposit was increased to $250. Pilot production. Franz von Holligen drove a prototype to the Peterson Automotive Museum for an event in late June 2023. In July 2023, the first Cybertruck was built on the production line at Gigafactory, Texas, and Tesla clarified in October that this was pilot production. Delivery production specification Cybertrucks were sent to Tesla showrooms starting in late November 2023 during the delivery event at Gigafactory, Texas on November 30, 2023. Tesla delivered the first 10 or 12 production units to customers. The event featured a 30-minute presentation including a demonstration where the Cybertruck's armored glass successfully withstood a baseball thrown by Von Holzhausen during the delivery event. The speed of the Cybertruck was highlighted as being able to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph 97 km per hour in 2.6 seconds, which was demonstrated by a video of the Cybertruck winning a drag race with a Porsche 911 while also towing another Porsche 911 which Musk claimed was over a distance of 1 by 4 and 40 kilometers, but based on pavement markings and grandstand position at Sacramento Rickevi Park, where the race was recorded, was more likely to be 18 mi 20 km. At the delivery event, final pricing, availability, and product details were also announced. The three models were announced: single motor RWD, dual motor AWD, and a tri-motor AWD branded as the Cyber Beast. The RWD model base price was US 60,990 to available in 2025. Its range was 250 mi 400 km with a top speed of 112 mph 180 km per hour. The all-wheel drive was to be available in 2024 at a starting price of 79,990 with a range of 340 mi 550 km and a top speed of 130 mph 210 km per hour. The tri-motor Cyber Beast variant was offered at 99,990, also to be available in 2024. Compared to the 2019 unveiling of the concept, Cybertruck base prices were substantially more expensive by US 21,000 39,000 depending on the model, an increase of 52.9% to 82.1%. Thanks for listening this and share please this video for everyone.